I'm so sick and tired of trying to squeeze my big head into these little glasses. I found DebSpecs. Check this out. These are the big guys. Look at that. They fit so much better. The lenses are pristine, high quality, and there's even an option where you can upgrade to filter out the blue UV light that's emitted from the cell phones and computers. DebSpecs, they've been around since '96, so they got thousands of loyal customers, and they know what we want in reading glasses. So a lot of different styles. These are a game changer. I love these readers. 15% off store-wide when you use the code SUMMER. DebSpecs is a game changer for me. If you want to get some better fitting, great looking glasses, man, DebSpecs is the way to go.